everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to show the new products released in our store yesterday and a little tutorial at the end of the video. Yeah, sorry for the noise. Yeah, I'm at home now. Sorry. So this is the house, gingerbread house, and here is the cutting die. So you can see here is the house base of the die, and you have this heart-shaped roof, and also at the back side there is another option for the roof. So and these are the decorations to make decorate your house. So you have two versions of the house, and here are the house I made. So you can see there are two different doors, and also the windows are different also. So you can decorate it as what you want. So I think it's a very versatile die to make your own gingerbread house. And also there are peppermint candy and some other decorations to decorate your house. And about the size is 3.5 inch by 4.75 inches. So I hope you like the house as much as I do, as I personally really love to make a gingerbread house. I'm sorry for the noise. She's my little baby. Yeah, sorry for this. And the next one is this back topper, the center back topper. So this is the back topper, and here is the cutting die, and you will see this the base for the back topper, and these are the decoration pieces to make your center. So I think this back topper is very cute, and yeah, you can use it to decorate your gift in this holiday season to send your friends and family. And the size is about 2 3/4 by 4 1/8 inch. And the next one is this door designs. So we have two door designs for mixed media craft cars. Well, I didn't know about that before, but I do some research on the Pinterest, and then made these type of cars. So this is my first try. So I don't know how to make I don't know how to make the mixed media cars, and really look forward to see your projects when you receive the die. So here are the dies for the door, and you will see this layering piece to make the door more realistic. And I use some distressed ink to ink the edge of the piece to make more realistic. So I think this card is very good for holiday cards, and you can write a message inside to send your wishes to your friends and family during the holiday season. And the size is about 3.5 inch wide and 6.25 inches long. The next one is this Halloween shaker. So this is the first shaker I made, and this is the cutting die. So you have the base part and also the layering piece to make the shaker, and you have the different decorations to decor your card. And this is the one. I mean, so you can see the size is very big, and this house die is in our store also. And I also made this one, so you can see how it cut out. And about the size is about 3 and 3/8 inch wide and 7.5 inch long. So it's a pretty big size of the card. So if you want, you can use it to make a box, because you can create the size of the box, so it can be a good size for making box also. And the next one is the Slimline Windows. So here is the die set. So you have two different windows and also a small die to make the window frame inside the card, so you can make the card more interactive. And also you have an extra, the clip die to decorate your card. And so you can see here is what I made. So I think it will be more interactive to have the window die on the card. And I didn't do the coloring this time. My coloring is terrible. So for this time, I just stamped the image so you can see how it will look like inside the card. Oh yeah, just forgive me for that, for my laziness. And also I used the scallop edge die set for the slimline die. Personally, I really love the scalloped nesting die set, as it will make the cards look more elegant, I think. Well, personally, I really love that die set. The next one is this new shadow words. So it's for Christmas season. You have Christmas prayers, peace, and falala. So these are very great for your scrapbook layout, and also for the the slimline cards. And they will match with the the sentiment build stamp we released in last month. And here are the cutting dies. So each one has a layering piece, so the shadow piece to make the shadow words. So these are the dies I want to share today as the new products. And then I would like to do a tutorial for the hat die. So if you don't want to see this, you can just skip this part. And yeah, I know it's a little late to do this tutorial. Sorry for my laziness, guys, ladies. So yeah, but I think it's never late than never, I think. So this is the hat die we released maybe several months ago. And so I'm now doing the tutorial. Yeah. So this is the hat I made a month before. Sorry, the hat topper is loose. And well, yeah, I made a Easel card here, and add some flowers around the hat. So this is the die to make the biggest base of the hat. So cut it in pattern paper, and if you want to make it into an easel card, you need to cut 2 extra piece to make it into an easel card. And then I cut this one in white cardstock, so it will layer it on the hat. And then for these 2 dies, I cut it together, so you can you can put it with the with the size to make the hat, so it will be like this. And this one is the top of the hat. And for this part, you need to cut 3 times of this set, so it will create 12 size of the hat. So I have die cut 12 pieces of the size and have them glued already. So let's start the tutorial. So first you need to put the size around the, there are folding lines, so you fold it as the line indicates, and then stick it on the part of the the base part. Sorry for my English. Yeah, so you can see you need to put it carefully along the side of that shape. So I'm putting the second one, and you need to it need some patience to put away those glue tapes, and then stick carefully to the size, and then put these 2 together. So you need to fold it as the line indicates. So now I finished all the parts, and this is the final part. And now the hat is almost ready. And now you need to put the top on the top. And just for each size, just put it with the size, so it needs to be careful with the size to make it line together. So the topper part is ready now. And now glue it on the base part. So this is much more easier now. So I glue it on the white cardstock, the round the circle shaped die. And now I glue this part to the base part. So add more pressure to make it stick together. And now the hat is ready. So now you need to make the easel part. So you need to make the card as this. So fold it in half and then half again to make the easel shape. And this big half part is to stick on the base of the hat part. So you need to line it together. And now put the little half part stick it with the base part of the easel card. Okay, it's almost ready, and you can have a sentiment stamp on the base part, and also you can use a little rhinestones or other things to make the easel card stand up. So this is how it look like, and you can use ribbon and bows to decorate the top of the hat. So I hope you like the tutorial I made, and if you have any questions, please leave us comment below and I will answer you as soon as possible. And so this is all for today, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.